Up to this point, my new Avid CNC machine has been used to make bench dog tops exclusively. But of course I have ambitions for it beyond just that, so I need to expand the work holding capability. And since I already put a vise on it, and I just launched the bench dog tops I mentioned to go with the magnets and dog posts that I sell, I figured I could use those to expand the work holding capability to cover the next CNC project. This would have been a bit easier if I had planned it from the start, but it worked out okay. So now the inclined dog tops are going in. These are the hard maple version. Both these and Jatoba are available right now. Link in description. Flattening a workbench with a router sled is a common technique, and that's similar to what I'm about to do with the CNC. And I figured people who bought my dog posts and tops might be tempted to just leave them in and let the router take care of leveling them along with the bench top. I had a feeling this might cause problems since the outer sleeve allows the dog to rotate, which it might do when the bit hits it, but I gave it a go just to see what happens. And not a terrible result, but it definitely rotated or at least chattered around and caused some chip out. So I'd recommend avoiding this. Pull the dogs out, flatten the bench, and then sand the dogs flush afterwards. So that's it, all set up for my next CNC project, and if you want a notification when that video pops up, go hit the bell icon. Till then, take care.